Solve for x. We have an exponential equation 2 raised to x plus 3 equals 64 raised to 2x minus 5. So we have base 2. So we have to make the same base in the right hand side. 64, let's try to find the factors of 64. 64 is 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16, 32, 64. So that is 2 raised to 6. Okay, so we can rewrite this equation as 2 raised to x plus 3 equals 64 is 2 raised to 6. This is new exponent, and 2x minus 5 is old exponent, so we need to multiply times 2x minus 5. So we need to put parentheses around, multiply these two exponents, that means distribute 6. So we get 2 raised to x plus 3 is equal to 2 raised to 6 times 2, 12x minus 30. Okay, now we have same base in both sides, 2, 2. That implies these exponents should be equal as well. So x plus 3 is equal to 12x minus 30. Now we have a linear equation and solve this for x. To solve for x means now move the terms around so that x will be isolated. X, 12x, subtract 12x from both sides and move 3, so subtract 3 from both sides as well. We get x minus 12x, that's 11x, negative 11x, negative 30 minus 3, negative 33, and finally negative 11 times x, so we divide both sides by negative 11 and we get negative 11 cancel, so x equals negative negative cancel, 33 divided by 11 is 3, x equals 3. That's the final. Okay, now number 11, about the same equation, we have 6 over 5 raised to x, so we need to make right hand side as well 6 over 5 raised to something. Okay, because 6 is 2 times 3, but we cannot put in the smaller powers of number. Okay, so 5 same thing, is prime in fact. So we need to know the factors of 625. 625, so there is a 5, that means 5 divides 625, it should be 5 raised to some power. We'll check that in calculator. So 5 times 5, 25 times 5, 125 times 5, 625. So how many? 4. In the same way, now this is 5 raised to 4, so this should be 6 raised to 4 as well. Let's try 1296. Okay, let's go to the calculators. So let's multiply 6 times 6, because we have 6, that's why we got idea this should be 6 raised to 4 to match the power 4. 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 is equal to 1296. So this is 6 raised to 4. So we can write this as 6 over 5 raised to x equals, this is 5 raised to 4, 5 raised to 4, and this is 6 raised to 4, or we can write 5 over 6 raised to 4. Okay, we need to make same base both sides. 6 over 5, this is 5 over 6. Now we need to change this to 6 over 5. For the left hand side is 6 over 5x. Now we need to take the reciprocal of 5 over 6. Take the reciprocal, this becomes 6 over 5, and when we take the reciprocal, we need to pay the price, multiply the exponent by negative 1. Okay, like when we have a raised to x, if we take the reciprocal of a, that's 1 over a, the price we pay, multiply the exponent by negative 1, so negative 1x, negative x. So in this case it becomes negative 4. Now we have the same base, that means x should be equal to negative 4. The exponent should equal as well, so x equals negative 4. Final.